In a quiet village nestled at the foot of tall mountains, there lived a young man named Ravi. Ravi was ambitious, curious, and eager to learn everything about life. He read books, listened to wise men, and tried to gather as much knowledge as possible. But there was a problem. Ravi's mind was always crowded with thoughts. He constantly worried about the past, about the future, about success, about failure. Even when he was with friends or family, his mind was never truly present. One day, Ravi heard about a great Zen master who lived deep in the mountains. People said the master could teach anyone the secret of peace and clarity. So Ravi packed his bag and walked for 3 days until he finally reached the master's small hut. When Ravi entered, he bowed and said, "Master, I have read many books. I have learned from many teachers, but still my mind is restless. Please teach me the way to peace." The old master smiled and invited Ravi to sit down. Then he placed 2 cups on the table and began to pour tea into Ravi's cup. The cup filled quickly, but the master did not stop pouring. The tea spilled over, dripping onto the table and the floor. Shocked, Ravi shouted, "Stop, master! The cup is already full. No more tea can go inside." The master calmly put the teapot down and looked into Ravi's eyes. "Ravi, your mind is just like this cup. It is already full of thoughts, worries, knowledge, and pride. Nothing more can enter until you empty it." Ravi froze. For the first time, he understood. He had been so busy trying to fill his mind with more and more that he never allowed space for peace, wisdom, or clarity to enter. The master continued, "If you truly wish to learn, you must first empty your mind. Let go of your endless thoughts. Let go of your fears and doubts. A mind that is empty is a mind that is free. Only then can new wisdom flow in." That night, Ravi sat outside the hut. The mountains were silent. The stars shone brightly, and for the first time in years, he did not try to think or plan. He simply sat, breathing slowly, letting his thoughts come and go like passing clouds. And in that silence, he felt something he had never experienced before: peace. From that day, Ravi practiced emptying his mind every morning. He no longer clung to worries of yesterday or fears of tomorrow. He learned to live in the present moment. Slowly, he discovered that clarity, creativity, and strength arise not from a crowded mind, but from an empty one. Years later, Ravi became a teacher himself. Whenever young people came to him seeking advice, he did not overwhelm them with books or lectures. Instead, he would simply smile and say, "First, empty your mind, because an empty mind is not empty. It is full of possibilities." Moral of the story: in life, we often fill our minds with too many things: doubts, fears, comparisons, regrets. Just like a cup that is already full, nothing new can enter if we never let go. True strength comes when we empty our minds, stay calm, and live in the present moment. When you empty your mind, you create space for peace, for wisdom, and for greatness.